Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for KAS price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart here, we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing a wave 1 in the white scenario, and then ABC for a wave 2, of course, and then of course 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3, and then 4, 5, finishing a beautiful wave 1 or a wave 8 towards the upside, with a finished impulse where your wave 4 did not interfere with your zone 1, and also your wave 3 still longer than your wave 5, knowing that you have a very extended wave 1. So it's a very nice impulse toward the upside, and we would like, of course, to look for a correction after it, where we are looking already here at an A, B, and a C probably. However, of course, if this is a wave 1 here, it is very probably that we dive a little bit deeper for a KAS. We have based on the logarithmic chart here. If we have a non-logarithmic chart, we are already at the 0.38 fib level. So I would say also it is very possible that we move even toward the upside from there without reaching right now exactly the fib levels for logarithmic chart. However, if we take a look here inside this area, this zone where we have our correction after an A B, and a C, obviously we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave 1 here. And as an impulse, you would like to see, of course, a 3 corrective waves again toward the downside. Now, so far we saw an A B, and a C probably, and then finished, and then we are seeking, of course, for higher. In case, of course, we get higher, we are already in an impulse. However, this is your wave 2 here as fib levels. So taking this wave 1, you would like to have a wave 2 between the green box fibs, right? Now we have touched the 886. Once you touch the 886, let's say a big possibility will open, of course, to reach the low here, right? And once you reach the low, it's not just like you will reach it and then you will still, of course, move toward the upside. Well, it is very possible to move, of course, for lower prices, and it is not really nice to see this after an impulse, and that because we'll impose several problems here. We'll transform this to WXY rather than impose, meaning that you have 3 waves down possibly, and then 3 waves up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And that brings us back again to the logarithmic fib levels, where we are looking for possibly wave 2 or a wave B for 0.23 fib level at 0.039 cent. So these are basically the fib levels that are required for a retracement. After, of course, this massive move toward the upside, it is very normal, of course, to have such a retracement, a correction, and then moving, of course, for higher prices. So basically, we have to watch right now on the 4-hour chart. For example, if we reach again the 886 here, that is, of course, a scenario where you would like to take the low and moving toward the downside. If we move again toward the upside from here without reaching the 886, that would be a good scenario as 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 continuation toward the upside. So basically, KAS still, of course, basically looking for lower prices possibly, but we're gonna see how this reaction is gonna be here in this area, and then of course we say if we are moving for bigger bearish scenario or not. Now, of course, your first target, guys, in case we reach this low, I would suggest to be careful, because of course this is a very open area, very open space. As you can see, there is no technical support here. It can drop very fast, of course, and touch the 0.23 fib level very easily as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And then basically this might be, of course, a part of the correction where you have here ABC, and then ABC toward the upside, and then 5 ways continuation to finish a correction here and then start to move toward the upside. Of course, we need 5 ways up, 3 ways down, continuation as a mark of an entry point here, and for a bullish scenario confirmation. So we would like to see this signal, of course, repeating anywhere here after hitting those fib levels. So that was it for Caspar. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.